sound illa. Hello everyone, we'll just wait for a couple of minutes before we start off. So hello everybody. Okay, so really happy to be a part of this. Very happy to be doing this today. We have a lovely launch on Isle of Skin, something that I've been waiting for a really long time to be launching with you guys. So here is this. This is the launch of the Dr. Curacle Pure VC Melite Ampule. This is a designated 4-week program to target hyperpigmentation, pregnancy-related melasma, and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, especially if you have probably had some sort of a treatment, and if it's led to any hyperpigmentation. I'm just opening the seal in front of you guys. So the Pure VC Melite range is something that's very special. So okay, so this is like a slide out box, and we have 4 bottles here, so it almost looks like I have to put it up on my head, right? So this is I'll take you through what we have here. So this is the Pure VC Melite Ampule. This is a 4-week program. Each of these bottles has about 8 ml of the product. This is an ampule. So this contains some really special ingredients that is that's great for our skin, especially with regard to hyperpigmentation. A lot of people have been asking us on Isle of Skin when we'll be releasing vitamin C. So this is the answer. There are different types of vitamin C, different derivatives rather, and what is, as far as I'm concerned, the best so far is the L-ascorbic acid. Now the L-ascorbic acid is also something that can disintegrate very quickly, which means that when you buy a vitamin C serum, it needs to be in a very plain clear color. So I'm going to be showing you how each of these yes, it will be up on the website pretty soon. Some of you are asking me a question. So this is 4 bottles, and I'll tell you why each of these are special. The L-ascorbic acid based vitamin C serums are the best for our skin. However, what happens with vitamin C serums is that, as I was telling you, this entire serum, the vitamin C serum, is supposed to be completely almost clear in color when you buy it. Now, as you use the vitamin C serum, from white color it tends to go into a slight golden yellow. From there it becomes amber. From amber it becomes brown, at which time it seems to be absolutely useless to be using a vitamin C serum. So when you buy a vitamin C serum, it is very important that you note the color of the product inside, so you make sure that it is the efficacy of the product is retained. Now, why is the vitamin C serum on the Dr. Curacle Pure VC Melite Ampule special? Is that we are not giving you one bottle, 135 ml bottle with the vitamin C serum, vitamin C infused in it, and of course it has the best vitamin C as long as I am concerned, which is the L-ascorbic acid, and this is the most special part of the Pure VC Melite, which is not available in anything else. Now I'm just going to be opening this. If you see this, I'm opening the bottle. This is the ampule base. Now the ampule base has some fantastic ingredients which I'll get to in just about a bit. Now, do you see this sort of a button-like applicator? What happens when what you need to do is I've just opened this. When you buy the Dr. Curacle's Pure VC Melite Ampule, you need to press down on this completely. Now it's pressed down, okay? It has now dispensed the vitamin C powder into this right now. So you shake it quite a bit, which also means that your vitamin C remains fresh while you use it. Now if you see, it's become a little cloudy, right? I'm not sure if you're able to make out with this. It's become a little cloudy here. So if you notice, I showed you the inside of the bottle a while ago. So now you see this has opened up. The vitamin C powder which was held here has been dispensed into the ampule. So you just shake it quite a bit also, and now this top of the lid remains dispensed. Now what is most important here is that just make sure that you have taken it all out. I mean, just to save product. It comes with a dropper in this package. Okay, this package, I'm just showing it like this. This comes with a dropper. So make sure that each of the times that you use, when you open one bottle, it's ideal that you use it in a week, but it lasts up to 10 days and you use it at night time. So remember to keep this dropper with you until you have gone through the entire 4-week program. So now let's say, I'm just saving this, okay? Okay, so I'm going to show you how the ampule looks. It's clear in color, right? Do you see this? It needs to look this color when you buy a vitamin C. Now, the other amazing ingredients that are a part of the vitamin C VC Melite ampule is that it has tranexamic acid. Now, tranexamic acid is amazing to treat hyperpigmentation, as I said, pregnancy-related melasma and hyperpigmentation, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and vitamin C is absolutely safe to use for almost all age groups. So let's say you want to introduce a teenager to vitamin C. Of course, please speak to a doctor, but a vitamin C serum is overall safe. A lower percentage of vitamin C is absolutely safe to be used even by teenagers, is what a lot of experts say. So a vitamin C serum is safe to use for everybody. It helps fade, the kind of melasma that people get. Once you've gotten melasma, of course, it's slightly difficult to treat, especially if it is genetic. So I'm going to show you how you can use this. Just take a bit. You don't need more than this much, okay? This is more than enough. And it absorbs right into your skin, giving you a very subtle glow. Okay, so as I said, this is a 4-week program, and just like the first bottle, so this will easily last you a week to 10 days, and the brand also says that once you have opened the bottle, please keep it in the refrigerator. So you have 3 more bottles like this in the package. So you will go through this in about a month or a little more than a month. All right, so this will be your pure VC Melite ampule. It also has vitamin E and another, it has glutathione. It's great it's an antioxidant, so it's great for your overall glow and health to your, it makes your skin look very nourished. And it also has something called idebenone. So now this is formulated with about 100,000 parts per million. That is, it's about 10% vitamin C. This is pure vitamin C L-ascorbic powder, so that has the most efficacy with your hyperpigmentation. It is also it also has vitamin tree extract instead of water. So there is no water in this formulation. It is vitamin tree extract, and vitamin C is vitamin C powder is dispensed into each of these bottles so that you can use it. The brand ideally says please use it at night, but I am okay to be using it during the day as well. And as I said, it also contains glutathione. It's an antioxidant, leads to overall glow of the skin. It contains this tranexamic acid, which is absolutely safe to use for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and pregnancy-related melasma and hyperpigmentation in general. A lot of you may have heard about hydroquinone, right, as a lightening agent. The point about hydroquinone is that it can have some adverse side effects if it is not been suggested to you by a proper dermatologist. It should be introduced in a proper way and weaned off in a proper way, which is also why it is banned in the UK. If not for the fact that it is without a prescription, and even in the US it's only available with a prescription. However, the problem with India is that it is easily available in pharmacies, and people tend to use hydroquinone, self-medicate, because they want to lighten their skin, especially when they say they want to lighten their inner thighs and their underarms. And what happens is that abuse of hydroquinone will lead to worse darkening than what you started off with. So that is something that you need to understand. Do not self-medicate hydroquinone unless and until it has been suggested by a doctor, because they will, if they have introduced hydroquinone to you, they will give you a few other things for it to balance out whatever effects that it has on your skin, and it's supposed to be used only for a certain period of time. Abuse of hydroquinone leads to serious skin issues. Now, somebody did ask if glutathione is safe to use. Yes, as long as it is administered in the right way. I know I'm aware of glutathione IVs, especially in the US, UK. A lot of people say the glutathione IVs are very, very safe. They administer that via intravenous treatments. But that's the point. A lot of things that are done properly with the right providers, that is where it makes a difference. Here there is a lot of quackery associated with glutathione. People just go get it, self-medicate, get it done in a pharmacy, and that also will lead to serious issues. If you are getting anything to do with IV and internally swallowing something, right, please, I beg you, do it with the help of a doctor. Don't self-medicate. It is not the ideal situation to be in. Glutathione actually was found out as I think in cancer treatments they found out that it helps heal the skin of cancer patients who have been exposed to a lot of radiation and all of that. That's how it somehow found its way into cosmetic therapies. But everything, it needs to be done in moderation. It needs to be done under the expert supervision. So please don't go and just self-medicate because it is available, and you know our Indian obsession to be super fair and highly fair skin and stuff like that. There is only so much that your liver can take. Okay, so please don't do this to yourself. And Priya is asking, should we use this after AHA BHA toner? Sure, please use this after AHA BHA toner. Should we use before BHA or after? Before BHA. So usually the order of placing acids is that once you have double cleansed your face, use a pH balancing toner. So in this case, I'm going to suggest that you use the AHA BHA toner, which is available in the on Isle of Skin. You use the vitamin C serum, which is the pure VC Melite Ampule. Then you use a BHA, then you use an AHA. I'm not telling you to use all of these in the same routine, but I'm telling you the order of appearance based on the pH of these products. So the vitamin C is usually the pH, which is the parts per hydrogen, is about between 2 and 3. BHAs are between about 3 to about 4, and AHAs are about between 4 and about 5. Now vitamin C, as you know, is a great product. It's a great antioxidant. This is an all-round superhero product that you can continue to use in your skincare routine. It's a great anti-aging product because it promotes collagen in the skin. As I said earlier, what is actually the benefit of also having tranexamic acid is that it treats existing pigmentation very, very effectively. And one of the things that it does do is so our skin has something called melanin. So now our melanocytes, which transfer this pigment to the skin, tranexamic acid blocks that transfer of melanocytes two are keratinocytes, which is basically the keratin synthesizing cells found in the outermost layer of the skin, which is the epidermis. Now that's too much science, you think? It is a little science for me also, okay? It was very difficult for me to read this and understand this. But when you just Google about these terminologies, you will understand that it's very, very simple and easy to understand. This is absolutely safe for all skin types. And just to reset and to tell you what this is the Dr. Curacle Pure VC Melite Ampule. This comes in a pack of 4. You have 4 bottles. The vitamin C is dispensed fresh in every bottle when you open it, and I demonstrated how to dispense the vitamin C. You see this punch lid on the top, and you will open this. You will take this off, punch the top of the lid in so that it dispenses the vitamin C fresh, so that it prevents the disintegration of vitamin C as you keep opening and using and opening and using. Vitamin C has a tendency to disintegrate because it is not that stable an ingredient, especially when it is L-ascorbic acid. Now L-ascorbic acid is the best vitamin C derivative as far as I am concerned, and also it has a lot of study with regard to how amazing an antioxidant it is, helps the collagen synthesis, helps with fading hyperpigmentation and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. And since the Dr. Curacle Pure VC Melite Ampule is made in a base of tranexamic acid, idebenone, glutathione, vitamin E and fullerene, it overall provides skin radiance and health. Now what does idebenone do? It prevents moisture loss and it rejuvenates the skin condition by brightening your skin tone. I already told you about tranexamic acid. Now glutathione is a powerful antioxidant, and it helps improves the skin pigmentation and illuminates the skin. Now it also contains a blue chamomile oil. So now that is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, and it is safe for sensitive skin to use. The vitamin C in this is not going to be irritating your skin at all. So it's safe for sensitized skin, and you can use a vitamin C serum even if you're a teenager. Now Ganga, you can you can probably wait about 10 minutes or so. This absorbs immediately into the skin, as you see. I did demonstrate how it looks on the skin as soon as you apply it. So the brand is also telling you to use it at night. Alright, now this product as such has undergone clinical tests, and it has improved pigmentation and conditions of pigmentation in about 4 weeks, which is why this program is called the 4-week program. And this is an amazing product to use. I used it for a while, and thereafter I have curated it on Isle of Skin. The instructions on how to go about using it, how to open the bottle, how to use it, how to store it, I have given in the beginning of the video. And let me quickly go through some questions. So the shampoo suggestions, I think you can check out this Scalp DX shampoo, which is available on Isle of Skin. It already seems to have some good reviews from some of our users. Can you please do a video on how much time we need to ideally give before layering of each of the products? So now if it is a hydrating product, or if it's a serum or an ampule, I would definitely say that just pat into the skin, wait for it to absorb, and usually most of them absorb almost immediately. So just go about layering your next product. We also have an interesting product that we want to introduce an Isle of Skin to better help absorb these products onto your skin after you apply them. So we will let you know about the next launch. Now Banu Kulesh has an interesting question. Is this before sunscreen? Of course. Always remember, in your daytime skincare routine, your sunscreen will be your absolute last, after which you can follow with makeup. However, if you're not wearing makeup, your sunscreen will be your absolute last. At night time, however, your oil stage, when I say oil, I mean the leave-on oil, like the Kumkumadi Thailam, which is available on our Isle of Skin. You use that as the last step. So Revati Shri, do you have vitamin C serum? Yes, we do. We have it from now. So this is called the Pure VC Melite Ampule. It will be available on our website pretty soon. Curly mess, please restock Annie's Way hyaluronic acid jelly mask. Yes, it has boarded the flight from Taiwan. It is on its way. Okay. So Team Super 2626, your best eye cream will actually be the Cosrx nail cream. It's amazing. Okay, Nitika RG, for the pigmentation around the neck area, there are multiple reasons why you have pigmentation around the neck area. One of the things is that medication related weight gain. For example, if you have been on steroids, or if you have been on some sort of painkillers, or if you have been on some sort of thyroid medication, it leads to darkening of the skin. Sometimes even pregnancy and pregnancy hormones can lead to darkening of the skin. Sometimes jewelry, for example, if you're using what we call as a costume jewelry, a lot of people are allergic to those metals and those and the lacquer, that is the top shiny coat on these metals, right, or these jewelry, that irritates some people's skins. I have seen people getting irritated, the neck skin being irritated with silver and gold jewelry also, to the extent that they have stopped using it. So it's important to understand why you have the neck pigmentation and when you started developing it, if you have noticed it. Sometimes it could even be genetic, but more often than not, it is possible that it is coming due to some sort of a medication related issue or a hormonal imbalance. If that is the case, you should be speaking to a doctor first to help alleviate the condition. Can acne prone skin people use this? Yes, you can. Best cream for dark spots. So Akhila, if you have dark spots, the Pure VC Light Ampule will help you. This is a 4-week program. Each of these bottles, you have 4 such bottles in the Pure VC Light box, and it comes with this dropper bottle. Each time you will dispense a vitamin C powder from the top of the lid into the ampule, and then you will replace it with this dropper, and then use a couple of drops on your face, and then you're good. Maheshwari, vitamin C can actually be a part of your skincare routine throughout your life, actually. Prad. Yeah, we'll work on it. Pradiksha Shivaraman, being a beginner to skincare, what is the first product to try from I Love Skin for dry sensitive skin? If you're looking at the first ever product, I would definitely say sunscreen. Start with a sunscreen, and then you can after that I would also say please start double cleansing. Your double cleanse would be your oil or gel based cleanser, which is the control melting gel from Dr. Curicle, or the Pro Balance cleansing oil. That will be an emulsifying cleanser which will apply directly onto your face before wetting your face. Alright, so you will apply on dry skin, wash it off, and follow it with a gentle foam cleanser. Shanmi Datla, whiteheads on cheeks. I wonder if I want to understand what you mean by whiteheads, because a lot of people tend to confuse pigmentation for blackheads, sometimes pimples for whiteheads. That's not what they are. So I would like to understand what. So please DM me. Surekha, your products does magic on my face. Thank you. Can we use retinoids on upper back for hyperpigmentation? Please don't self-medicate, especially with regard to retinoids. Please ask a dermatologist. Retinaldehyde, retinoic acid, which is the strongest of them all, has some side effects which can be extreme dryness and sensitive skin. So you need to have the right products to counteract all of this as well. And especially if you're being prescribed, I wouldn't say prescribed, if you're being told by somebody who does not have a doctor's degree that you can have consume retinol, please understand that it has a lot of side effects, and those side effects need to be explained to you. It does have great effect on your pimples and your acne, but it does have other side effects as well. Please speak to your doctor, or else you will actually see the entire list of side effects in the retinol tablet box. So that's also something that you can check out, and it needs to be introduced properly, and you need to be weaned off retinol properly. It's not something that you just start and stop as and how you please. That's very, very important. And do realize that if you are planning a pregnancy or are pregnant, retinol is an absolute no-no. So do not even think of going anywhere near retinol products. Um, Devayane Vairavan. Is it effective to use it in the night or day? Because it's usually heard people that it's better to use vitamin C during the day since it helps us from sun damage. What helps you from sun damage during the day is actually sunscreen. Okay, vitamin C helps counteract that. So if you have probably a layer of vitamin C and then you have sunscreen, great. You can use it twice a day also. That's absolutely fine. Also, what is an equivalent for niacinamide and hyaluronic serum? Well, we have niacinamide and hyaluronic serum products in Isle of Skin. You have your Cosrx Rice Overnight Spa Mask, which contains a lot of niacinamide. You have other brightening products as well. Hyaluronic acid serum, instead of the hyaluronic acid serum, you're looking for anything which says Hyal, right? So the entire Dr. Curacle Hyal Reyouth line is chock block full of hyaluronic acid. Also, your Cosrx Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Cream is heavily, it contains a lot of hyaluronic acid as well. So you also, there's another thing that you need to note. Hyaluronic acid by itself also helps brighten the overall skin tone. I'm not saying that it's going to lighten hyperpigmentation as such. Overall, it gives you this general illumination because of the amount of hydration it gives also. So vitamin C, as I said, after you cleanse, you'll use a toner, ideally an AHA bleach toner, which will bring down the pH of your skin so that your vitamin C starts acting on your skin immediately, which is basically fading hyperpigmentation and promoting collagen synthesis. And thereafter, you can continue with your other skincare products. Kavya, I want to understand what you mean by whiteheads. So you can use this for dark spots. For open pores and ice pick scars, so there is something called the pore cleansing method, which we suggest quite a bit. You can DM me and I can give you the steps. Otherwise, you can also go on to my YouTube channel and look at the FIDI's pore cleansing method, which is basically double cleansing your face, applying BHA for 20 minutes. We have two BHA products on Isle of Skin. One is the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid and the Dr. Curacle Blue one. You will apply this for 20 minutes. Apply a clay mask on top of the BHA, let it dry and wash off, and then you will pat your face dry and then use an emulsifying oil cleanser to slowly take off the grits from your face. This is great for pore management. It helps reduce the appearance of pores, and overall a great thing that you can do to deep pore cleanse your skin once or twice a week. So that is something that you can do for ice pick scars, box scars and rolling scars, especially after acne or any other trauma that may have been inflicted on your skin. Unfortunately, I don't think there are topical products that might help yet. I keep reading about it, but sophisticated skincare lasers administered properly by the right doctor. Please also understand that all of these aesthetic lasers that you see, lasers and laser treatments, especially these lasers that need to be done on your skin. I'm not talking about hair removal, but lasers for your skin and ice pick scars and acne scars or anything else need to be done only by a doctor. It cannot be done by nurses, it cannot be done by beauty technicians. It should only be done by a doctor, and they know that best. Laser hair removal, of course, can be done by trained therapists. All right. Kolahala. So I think your sister can actually use the Cosrx. We'll have the product in about a week, so please DM me. Chinmay Royal, dealing with pits on the cheek, your option would definitely be, I mean, if the pits are deep and you have or even chickenpox scars, your option is only laser actually. Akiraju Madhavi. The solution for blackheads on the nose is definitely Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. You can use this on the nose, or even if you feel that your T-zone is a little oily, or if you feel that your pores are beginning to become apparent around this area, you can even use it on a daily basis for a little while and then slowly see how your skin is responding and use it accordingly. So use the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid on the nose and you should be fine. I'm sure that one bottle will last you 2 years if you're using it only on the nose. Ashwini Ashokan, yes you can. Kirti, sure, why don't you try that? Devyani Vairavan, this product is probably already up on the website. Can vitamin C and hyaluronic acid be used together? Sure, why not? Toner necessary, compulsory to be used by normal skin? If so, what would be the best toner? So the Cosrx AHA BHA toner is something that is a clarifying toner. It's also a pH balancing toner, so you can use that first and follow that up with a vitamin C serum or anything else, or even acids that you're using. The other toners that we have are hydrating. They start with the treatment itself. For example, the Sika Regen toner has about 92% Centella asiatica extract, which is extremely healing for sensitive skins. So if you're in a hurry and you don't have a lot of time to do your skincare routine, I would definitely say applying or just layering your toner a few times is a great way to go. The Hyalur Youth toner, the Sika Regen toner, the AHA BHA toner. We also, I think we have the Hyalur Youth toner. Yes, that's also an amazing toner. A hydrating toner. It also helps overall brighten the skin because of the amount of hyaluronic acid, and your skin feels so beautifully buttery soft when you use and it's also one of the things that you can toners are great to prep your skin so that it helps the absorption of other serums and ampules and skincare products better, because it kind of preps your skin for the absorption of others. Madhu, could sunscreen cause purging? Interesting question. Do you think that your sunscreen has caused purging? How frequently should we do pore cleansing? Once or twice a week is great. Or if you feel that you have excessively oily skin and your pores are acting up and stuff like that, perhaps you can do the pore cleansing even in your T-zone or in these problem zones wherever you feel that there is excessive oily or sebum secretion. So that's doable. Shanvi Datla, best cleansers for combination skin. What is your skin a combination of? That is the next question. Harika Reddy, no. So I think I have actually grown beyond ordinary products in my skincare routine. I was very taken by it because of how affordable they are and how accessible it made skincare. But I'm no longer using them because I think my skin has become a little more advanced. I'm seeking more advanced products and better products. Whitehead produces oil while coming out of the skin. Produces a minute and small finger-like projections and gets deep. What? Okay, interesting. For those of you who say that you have small bumps on your forehead, you please need to check whether you have an oily scalp or you have dandruff. Interestingly, one of the causes for acne is also dandruff. So you need to check what shampoo you're using, and sometimes the ingredients in your shampoo can also cause back acne. Right, so make sure that you're using the right ones. Is retinol good for combination sensitive skin? Retinol by default is an amazing ingredient, all right, but the point is to get the right one prescribed. That is the understatement. The underlined thing that I want to tell you. Make sure that it is prescribed by a doctor. Just don't go and self-medicate. It is not good for you. You will end up damaging your skin. That's all I will say, ma. Can acne prone skin use your oils for black? Yes, you can. Harshini, you can. How do we do pore cleansing? So I have mentioned this in my YouTube channel. The pore cleansing method is called how to reduce the appearance of pores. So you will find that on my YouTube channel. The thing is, double cleanse first. Apply the BHA product, which is either the Cosrx BHA or the Dr. Curacle Blue one. Let it be on your skin for 20 minutes. Apply your clay mask like the Dr. Curacle Jeju Matcha clay pack on top of your BHA. Wash off and then continue your oil cleanse only. When you basically you dab your skin, make sure that when you're oil cleansing your skin again, you don't have your skin is not moist. It needs to be pat dried, and then you will apply your emulsifying cleanser. Slowly you will find the grits coming off and you should be fine. Sri Vaishnavi Srinivas, yes. Jammy, I'm not sure because I have not used it. Let me see. I'm not able to see the ingredients. Okay, I'm not able to see the ingredients of this vitamin C serum. Okay. Maybe it's good, yeah. I don't know. I've not used it. Kavya, you can. Hair near the forehead where we keep sindoor. What can be the cause? Here, these baby hairs, let it be. No, what is the problem? It looks nice. Madam, hair fall suggest tips. The curry leaf buttermilk recipe. Make sure that you wash your hair with filtered water for a while. If the water in your house is a little problematic, perhaps if it has a high chloride content, fluoride content, if so, maybe you can have a filter for it. Make sure that your pillowcase is changed every 2 or 3 days. Practice good scalp hygiene. Make sure that your comb is disinfected. Yeah, so that would be the most important things. Maheshwari, so that is a point, right? Why do many brands like Dot and Key have retinol serum? So there is a difference between prescription retinol. This is all usually marketing speech. So what they might have is a derivative, not required that. Regular use started giving allergic reaction. What's a good alternative? Regular use of vitamin C should not supposed to give an allergic reaction to your skin at all. I don't know if you added something else to your skin after that, or if that vitamin C serum itself was very high concentration that it ended up irritating your skin over long-term use. But when you are using a high concentration vitamin C serum, you also need to make sure that your skin barrier is also taken care of. Yeah. For hair fall and dandruff, Shreya, I would suggest the Scalp DX shampoo on our website. Could you suggest any cream for hyperpigmentation? The Pure VC Melite Ampule, you will find this on our website. K Beauty products for dark spots and pigmentation issues, this one. So yes, this will be recorded and it will be up on our page so that you can watch it later. So that was that. To quickly tell you, this was the launch of the Dr. Curacle Pure VC Melite Ampule. This is a lovely vitamin C serum. This comes in a box of 4. This is a 4-week program, so this comes with its own dropper. Each of these bottles has the vitamin C powder in this space, which is dispensed by pushing the lid down so that it keeps your vitamin C fresh. Each of these bottles, it is suggested that you use it over the course of a week or 10 days at the max. The brand says use it at night time and store in the refrigerator after use. And you just need to be using a couple of drops, and this will easily last you a week, 10 days. And this will help with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, pregnancy-related hyperpigmentation and dark spots. This is made this is a formulation of L-ascorbic acid, tranexamic acid, glutathione and idebenone, and it also contains blue chamomile oil. So all of these will help fade hyperpigmentation, illuminate and nourish your skin. This is also gentle. Laksha Rangesh, retinoid or retinol, they are kinda in the same family. Maybe in a different post I will speak about retinols and retinoids and retinoic acid and retinaldehyde. Could we use that serum as a standalone product for hyperpigmentation? Yes, Kirti, you can. So this is that. It was lovely talking to all of you. I hope you guys like using this product. Vaishnavi Arul, CTM routine for combination skin. I want to understand what your skin is a combination of. Using BHA and AHA for acne and whiteheads and acne scars, are these enough? Or using vitamin C will be, I don't know what sort of acne scars you have. If it is just about hyperpigmentation, yes, this will also help. But if you're using AHA, it will help. Chika Girasol, how do we get rid of acne scars? What sort of acne scars is the question? Gayatri Tata hair products, the Scalp DX tonic. Maheshwari, the brand is saying that it is better so that it will prevent disintegration of the vitamin C so that it can be kept in the refrigerator. but you can also keep it outside. After vitamin C, can you use moisture and rice spa mask? Yes, Sandhya, you can. GK, yes, your doc said retinoids should not be used when you are pregnant or trying to get pregnant. That's precisely what I said earlier in this video also. Mona darling, how can I avoid acne during PMS? So pregnancy, hormonal acne is something that a lot of us go through. Some of us have spots when it happens along with our cycle, so that is normal. What you can do is, if you feel that you're along with your cycle, if you feel that your acne is about to come, you can use the acne pimple patches. What can I use for mild keratosis nigricans? Interesting. If it is mild, I suggest that you speak to a doctor anyway. We'll see. GK Shan. Okay, before that, I am Nikita. Can we directly apply sunscreen? Yes, you can. GK Shan, what you suggest for scar treatment? I want to understand what scars. What product are you wearing on your lips? Looks so good on you. This is the Buxom lip gloss, right? I think it's some berry or something. I love it too. So it has a very cooling effect. So like that. Can I apply niacinamide serum around my eyes? Does a product say that you can use it around your eyes? GK Shan, when you say acne scars, precisely do you mean hyperpigmentation, or are you referring to that as acne scars, or are you actually speaking about ice pick scars, boxcar scars, keloid scars, or anything else? Please let me know. Priyadarshini, Cosrx Aloe sunscreen is so far the best, and I could not find a replacement for it. Why do you want to find a replacement when it is working very well? Do not fix something that is not broken. I have sunspots, which would be the, okay, Niveda, you can start using the vitamin C serum, and for you the most important product for you to you religiously use will definitely be the vitamin C. Shreya Sridhar, so your under eye dark circles can be of 3 or 4 different types. It's either pigmented dark circles, vascular, which is caused due to the veins that run around here, and that causes a pigment, or it could be structural. For example, your bone structure here could cause it to look as if, so there will be like some sort of a depth here, and hence the shadow that your eye basically you don't have an under eye darkness, it is only the shadow. It is basically the light and shadow effect that makes it look as if you have dark circles, and some of us can have a combination of it. For example, some of us can have pigmented and vascular, pigmented and structural. So these are the 3 main types of dark circles: structural, pigmented, vascular, and your 4th type would be a combination of any of these. So you need to figure out why you have the dark circles in the first place, and therefore you can look for a treatment accordingly. I am Nikita. After COVID, hair fall will be more. Yes, I believe that hair fall seems to be something that a lot of people post-COVID are talking about. I think the curry leaf buttermilk can help. I'm not saying it will treat it. I think it can help. GK Shan, hyperpigmentation, then this vitamin C serum will help. Can you suggest a sunscreen with 0 white cast? Cosrx Aloe sunscreen, and also your Dr. Curacle no sebum sun lotion also helps, but that's a physical sunscreen, so the white cast takes a little bit, about 15-20 minutes to settle down. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. So Niveda, I think I just told you, the Dr. Curacle no sebum sun lotion. Gayatri Tata, we have 2 options on Isle of Skin: the Cosrx Aloe sun cream and the Dr. Curacle no sebum sun lotion. Shravati Alampalli, the suggestion for blackheads is there earlier in this video. So as soon as I end this video, you will find the suggestions. The AC Blue One solution. So basically, the pink gel, the AC Blue One, and the green 2 are 3 products that you can use for acne-prone skin. That is a program created by Dr. Curacle for acne-prone skin. So use the subacidic gel cleanser, which is the pink gel. The blue one is something that you can use on your acne and or as a spot treatment, and the green 2 is the moisturizer for acne prone skin. And what is the right age to start using actives, AHA or BHA? I mean, Well, this I'm going to ask an expert and get back to you. Okay, I don't think I have an answer for this. Devyani Vairavan, my lip gloss is basically from Buxom. I bought it from Sephora US. It's not available in India. I'm so sorry. Suggest some good day cream for oil control. The Cosrx oil free moisturizer is great. The entire Dr. Curicle Cica region line is great. They have a great moisturizing gel that you can use. Sandhya, it's possible, but it will settle. Navina Muppala. Yes, though some people say it's not, you shouldn't do this and stuff like that. Studies thereafter have said that this is a myth. Alright, so that's that. We have launched the Dr. Curicle Pure VC Melite Ampule, and we hope you love the product, because I did, and which is why we curated it on Isle of Skin. It contains lovely ingredients. It has pure L-ascorbic acid, which is about 100,000 parts per million in this formulation. It has vitamin 3 extract. It's not, the vitamin C powder is not dissolved in water, so it has vitamin 3 extract. It has tranexamic acid, it has glutathione, and it has idibenone. So all of these, and of course blue chamomile oil. So this is great for sensitive skin as well. So you can start using it. It is a 4-week program. This box has 4 bottles and it comes with its dropper. So each time that you use, you take out a bottle and use it. Each of these bottles will easily last about a week, 10 days. Each time you take out one of these bottles, push down on the cap on the top, it will dispense the vitamin C powder. You will mix it, and then the brand suggests that you keep it in the refrigerator after opening, so that it slows down the disintegration. And also I think because inside the refrigerator, except when you're opening and closing it, it's usually dark, right? So that's the scene. And if your skin is smooth and you can see little tiny kind things, what am I supposed to understand from that? Please DM me and probably send me a photograph. I'll try and understand. Give you a suggestion. That's that. Until I see you next time, this is Chinmay saying bye.